Blend rice in a blender and you won't want to drink it any other way. In a container, I'm going to start washing a cup of rice. We're going to wash this rice very well. Then, we just have to remove all that water. Let's move on now to the container. Let's cover it with water again. And let it soak for at least 12 hours. After those 12 hours, we're now going to move all this rice into a pot. Then also add 7 ounces of sour cream and a cinnamon stick. We're going to mix all of this up very well. Turn on the heat and leave it at medium temperature. After a while, the rice will have cooked that way. It's already good when it's very soft. Now we just have to take it, remove the cinnamon stick, and let's take this rice to the blender. Let's add 13.5 ounces of condensed milk. We're going to cover it and let it blend very well. If the blender can't blend it, just add water little by little until it's very liquid. And here it is, ready. Just pour it into a glass with plenty of ice and enjoy. Our creamy rice drink is ready. Super quick, easy, and delicious. I make it at your house, which I'm sure everyone will love. To finish, I added some cinnamon. The amount is up to your taste. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from Pour in the Kitchen. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.